Weak supervision in machine learning.
Weak supervision is a way to train machine learning models using noisy, approximate, or indirect labels instead of perfectly hand-labeled data.
A good mental model is, instead of paying experts to label every single example perfectly, you use many cheap, imperfect signals and let the model learn the underlying pattern by averaging out their mistakes. These signals can come from heuristics, weak rules, user behavior, or other models that are only roughly correct.
For example, to train a classifier that detects spam emails, you might treat messages marked as spam by users, caught by old rule-based filters, or containing certain keywords as positive examples, even though each source is noisy. This connects naturally to how you think about labels in supervised learning. But here you accept that each label source is imperfect, and rely on volume and modeling to denoise them.
Weak supervision matters because it lets teams scale training data far beyond what manual labeling budgets allow, which is critical for modern AI systems deployed in fast-changing domains. It is especially powerful when combined with ideas like traditional labels in machine learning, because you can mix a small set of high-quality labels with a large pool of weak signals to train strong models. Weak supervision.